He surfed with a shark. You want to see the deepest swimming pool in all of Hawaii?
For sure the coolest swimming pool. Good morning from Hawaii.
Our YouTube's back. We've been on somewhat of a hiatus. I've been on a hiatus. I had all of these videos and I've been taking a break. Why?
Well, you're building a cartoon. You have a whole other company going on.
And
you want to be a better dad and husband. And you're doing it.
But we're coming back. We're coming back hot because we're about to depart our home and go to Africa for the entire summer.
We've got a full summer of travels. Literally the day after school. We will be back like 2 days before school starts. Full summer gone. And just getting back into our traveling groove. I feel like we live this like Hannah Montana lifestyle where we like live two lives, and we're about to embark on our Hannah Montana lifestyle where we're just on the road. And I like love it. They're two completely different lifestyles and I'm so excited.
I like to see how excited the kids are.
We're all excited.
Because it's like, we're a little scared. We're like plucking them away from their school and sports and friends, but they're stoked, and so are we. Will you ask what she's talking about?
What are you talking about? What?
Say it, Dorothy.
I'm deciding if we should go to San Diego.
Go under. Yeah, Alex. Really good. Really good. Wow. A backflip? You okay? Here it comes. Really good, buddy. Remember to get lower now. Go up. Nice. Really good today, buddy. Not too big. Nice. Here comes one. Hold on. You alright? Hey, it's because you were facing the wrong way. Dive into it. Oh, where'd you go? Whoa.
I guess we got him.
Oh, perfect.
Guys, I finished my book. Done. When I decided to write this book, I was like, I want this to be my project. And I like took it. I took it from you. It was gonna be something we did together and I was like, no, this is mine. This is gonna be all mine. We've done so much stuff that has been all yours. And I was like, I want this one. And now that I've done it, I think I've made a huge mistake because I hate all the attention.
The spotlight.
I've been able to like hide behind like you and the kids and just it's been like a family thing for so long. And now that this is like, oh, you did this and I have people like highlighting me, I'm like, oh boy, like what have I done? And I feel incredibly uncomfortable.
I love it.
Garrett's gonna get a shirt that says Dance Mom. Dance Mom, Stage Mom.
I don't know. I think it should say Stage Mom because I'm going to be there, side stage left, just cheering you on the whole time.
I don't know how to handle attention on me. I really don't. And it makes me super uncomfortable and nervous. Like I'm really putting myself out there. I already put myself out there, but it's like us.
So when does the pre-order start?
Soon.
So, speaking of you, I think we should start talking about your surfing.
My surfing. I got better. This is
so
when I got
hard.
better. So I've had the same soft top for a while and it's just big and heavy. And there was one day after surfing, I was like, I think this is holding me back. My heavy board is holding me back. And I switched boards and I think it's so much better.
The very first wave on her new board.
Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make
am doing very well. Thanks, babe.
I can't believe that Callie officially graduated from surfing on my back. I'm gonna forever miss it, but now he's on his own board. You going brave today? I feel like you're being brave.
But how do you know which one you go? How do you know it?
It goes on your back foot. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you paddle as fast as you can up and over the wave. You're coming, you paddle fast. Look at those paddles. You're getting better. All right, grab my leash. That wind is fun. Get the paddle, you're in a good position. Okay, it's not coral, it's just a rock. It's just a rock, you're okay.
I don't like it.
You're okay, you're okay. Hey, remember the stay calm part. You're safe. You're safe, stay calm. I got you safe. Okay? I got you safe. Yeah, can I tell you? When you get that close to usually the wave stops. But that wave kept going and going. It was such a good ride by you. You did such a good job, but when you start to get closer to the rock, closer to the wall, that's when you just jump off.
That's what I did.
I know, but jump off a little bit sooner. Okay? You did great. You did great, and that's why you're safe. Did your feet touch the rock? Oh, good. It didn't cut it. It was just scary. Yeah? You're safe. No cuts or anything. Okay? That was your best wave so far. You did great.
I thought those are one of the so far.
Hey, you keep getting better and better. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, grab my leash and I'll help you out, okay? You got it? All right, down I go. Ooh, small one. This one's great. Yeah, small one. Okay, you're in a good position. Start the paddle. Perfect. And remember to pop up to your feet, okay? Pop up to your feet.
I got you, I got everything, I've got you. I don't need nothing more than you.
How was that? Callie learning to surf means something very special for us. Full family surf sessions. My absolute favorite thing in the world has been our full family surfing outings.
We're all really good. I'll say that I'm second to worst. Next to the 5-year-old.
To Callie?
Just one above the 5-year-old. It is the best. It is actually the funnest. And there have been a few mornings where Garrett has even taken the kids out of school and brought them in a little bit late.
Callie, you want to keep snoozing or you want to come surf with us? Dorothy, you want to keep snoozing or you want to go surf? Hey Manila, you want to keep snoozing or you want to go surf? My favorite part is waking up early and just putting them into the car. No, my favorite part is the surfing. Well, favorite part is the breakfast tacos.
You love it all, babe.
Wait, okay, my very favorite part is when I take him back to school and I go into the principal's office and there's that form you fill out and it says, why are you late? And I just say, surfing with dad. You're welcome. My leash?
But how do you control? Like, how do you control if it goes this way or that way?
You turn your hands the other way.
Yeah, I'm doing that, but it's still going this way.
Then try your hands the other way.
Nice to see ya. It's been a long night and now you're here. Under the oak tree, I saw me up sun, you lie. Good morning, sun.
Okay, 1,
Say 2,
2,
say 3,
3.
say go.
Good morning, sun. One day just ended, another just begun. Last night was crazy. I'm thinking maybe we take the day to reflect. It's always darkest for the dawn, but they told you always stay strong. I can't believe we survived being young and get to see one more day come. Good morning, sun. It's nice to see ya. It's been a long night and now you're here. Under the oak tree, I saw me up, sun, you lie. Good morning, sun.
Even help you. You got it all by yourself. That was 100% you.
Oh, do you believe in fate? The best lessons learned are your biggest mistakes. Life gets so crazy. I'm thinking maybe we take the day to reflect. The night's so dark, couldn't see the end. Loneliness was my only friend. But after 2 shots, could see around the bend. And I wake up smiling again. Good morning, sun. It's nice to see ya. It's been a long night and now you're here. Under the oak tree, I saw me up, sun, you lie. Good morning, sun. I've got the magic in me.
Good. Those are the best ways. What did you get on it? I love getting the GoPro camera after you guys surf and I see all the weird things you do on the waves. Hey, where are you going? The world is open, a playground for me and you, and we could be fine. Who the hell knows? I know we try, and the days they go by until we get home. There's water in the flowers, let's grow. People, they lie.
but you went on your own adventure.
Have you
Last
heard
week.
of XPT? I hadn't really. And then I see this video on social media of the coolest swimming pool I had ever seen. I didn't even know what the training was. I just wanted to get into this pool. So I signed up for something called XPT with Laird Hamilton and Gabby Reese. Welcome to the One Hotel. So I fly to the island of Kauai and I arrive to the hotel. Have you been to the One Hotel? Have you ever heard of the One Hotel?
I've
It
heard of
is
it.
nice. They just remodeled this hotel in Kauai that is so beautiful. It's a pretty big hotel, but the way they designed it is just super earthy. It feels like a small boutique hotel. And then the views were just stunning. It's a double.
Don't take yourself so seriously. You're here for a reason, but you don't know why. You're split and uneven, your hands to the sky. Surrender yourself. And I wonder why I tear myself down to be built back up again. Oh, I hope somehow I'll wake up young again. All that's left of myself, holes in my false confidence. And now I lay myself down and hope I wake up young again. And I wonder why I tear myself down to be built back up again. Oh, I hope somehow I'll wake up young again.
Okay, what was your favorite part though?
Okay, I'm gonna say two things, okay? Because one, the people I got to meet there were just absolutely incredible.
Only the coolest people are gonna sign up for that sort of retreat.
And then the other is just how much, yeah, it's pushing you physically, but like the mental, how much those coaches helped you just kind of break down mental barriers. And it's hard to explain, but that experience that you take home from XPT is the full mind, body, soul. I highly recommend looking into XPT. They do retreats, but you can also
They
do
do
it
like a whole
online.
bunch of stuff, don't they?
Yeah, whatever your level, whatever your comfort zone, they do a good job of making it great just for you.
Okay, we've got just a couple days until we leave for our summer travels.
We got some meetups coming up. We're doing a big yard sale in Utah. All of that information will be below. See you soon, guys.